Hello, my name is Paul. As you can see, the USB light on the DEC 82 cable that connects to the computer, the Type A cable, the light on it is very bright. This is with the lights off. With the lights on, it's still very bright. But luckily, you can replace this cable easily. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is the DEC 82 keyboard. I've ordered the plastic casing. Once I get it in, I'll show you how to replace that. It's pretty much the same procedure. So you flip it over, and there are 8 screws on the back. You just take those off. As you can hear, if you don't disconnect it from your computer, it's going to make noises. So I've already taken the screws off mine. Pretty simple. You see cable connects to the board. It's a regular old USB Type B connector. A lot of printers come with it, so you might have a spare one laying around. So go ahead and disconnect that. I'm going to plug it up to my printer. I have a spare cable. I'm going to connect it up. Bam. Got the line of cables back up. There's this grounding plug that you want to make sure you line back up. So connect it, and you're good to go. As you can see, there are no more bright blue lights coming in back here. My computer's in my bedroom, so it was pretty annoying at night to see this glowing blue light back here. At least it made it easy enough to replace. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.